Hi class, welcome to week 3. Before I go over week 3, I want to talk to you about week 2. You guys did an excellent job. There was some excellent posts. Justin Neal and Giovanni, a lot of you all had great posts this week. I just want to remind you that when you're doing your discussion board that you do have to respond to at least 2 other students. So don't forget to do that. You won't get full credit for your discussion board, and those are easy points if you just respond to at least 2 other students. And make sure that your response is um, substantial, that it's adding value to the conversation. Add a new idea about the topic in the discussion board. Don't just say, I agree, or good job, I'm glad you shared that with us, or anything like that. Add some substantial dialogue there. In your future courses, you're going to be expected to do that. So keep that in mind when you're participating in the discussion board. Also, assignment 2.2, the Career Services Survey. I noticed that a few of you weren't able to load the screenshot, or when you loaded it, it didn't actually say that the survey was completed. If you took the survey and you go back in it today, it will say survey taken. Now, if you're on your phone, you know you can do the screenshot on your phone by pushing the 2 buttons, the button on the side of the phone and the button at the bottom of your phone, or however your phone takes screenshots. And you can upload that, or you can email me that, and I will upload it for you because I know that this is difficult. Um, Also, um, if you take a screenshot on your computer, of course, it's easy for you to just upload. Some of you sent me, a couple of you sent me a screenshot that just said something about puppies, or it just said, please enroll to take the survey. Well, that doesn't count unless it actually says, um, you've taken the survey. And I sent you guys some text messages or remind notices about that. So just respond to those. Give me a text back saying, hey, Miss B, I'm working on it. I'll get them into you or whatever. I will not count off late points if you get those into me today, because I know that it was a difficult upload there. Okay. Good work this week. You guys are doing great. Now, moving into week 3, we're going to talk about skills for success. This week is our midterm week. So you'll be hearing from me this week about your grade. I'll be sending out emails about your grades and how you're doing in the class, and my expectations of you moving forward in the class. You'll also be talking about time management, study skills, researching in the library. You're actually going to go to the online library, and you can actually access the online library right here. You don't have to click that EBSCO link. You can click this link, the online library, and it'll take you directly to the library. And you are going to research time management. So what you do is, once you get into the library, you just type in time management in the search area, and it will pull up um, several articles about time management. Choose one that interests you, and then you can write a summary and write how that article speaks to your life. What does it mean to your life, and how you apply time management to your life based on what you've read in that article. And then your second assignment is always fun. Students do so well on this assignment, and I've seen some pretty creative plans here, but it's a time management plan. And you could submit that in a form of a catalog, not a catalog, sorry, calendar, or a to-do list, or a paragraph. I've seen a lot of calendar schedules. There's templates out there in Word document and Microsoft Office online that you can use and make it creative. also be mindful that you're not just submitting an assignment of this time management plan. This is something that you will actually use. So make sure you put some time and thought into that assignment so that it's something that you can take away from this class to use to keep your thoughts and your busy schedules organized. I believe that's it. If there's anything else, or if you have any questions, you know, guys, you can call me or text me or email me. I'm here for you. You guys are doing wonderful. Get in that discussion board and let's blow it up. And I will talk to you soon. Have a great week.